Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to access the Windows control panel in 2025. Whether you're troubleshooting hardware issues, adjusting display settings, or managing programs, the control panel is your go-to hub. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll walk you through it step by step, and it's easier than you think. Let's jump right in. First up, the most straightforward method: using the Start menu. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it's open, you can either scroll through the list of apps or, even better, type Control Panel into the search bar at the top. Hit Enter, and there it is. This works on Windows 10, 11, and beyond. If you're a keyboard shortcut fan, here's a quick trick. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu, then type Control Panel and press Enter. It's fast and efficient, saving you a few clicks. Another method for the pros: use the Run dialog. Hold down the Windows key and press R to open the Run box. Type Control and hit Enter. Bam, you're in the control panel. This is especially handy if you're working quickly or remotely. Now, keep in mind that as Windows evolves, some settings might shift to the newer Settings app, but the control panel remains available for legacy options. If you're on a newer version like Windows 12, double-check your updates to ensure everything runs smoothly. That's all for this quick guide. Accessing the control panel is a basic skill that can make your Windows experience way smoother. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.